Hey guys, in today's bonus video, I have friend mail. Woo! I am so excited. So I got friend mail from Pat and her channel is Blessed GMP. And I also have friend mail from Lois and her channel is Life with Lois's. If you're curious to see what these lovely ladies put in my friend mail, keep on watching. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambassador's DIY. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have friend mail. Oh, guys, I'm so excited. I love watching people unbox all of their friend mail, and I don't get friend mail very often, so it's really exciting when I do. So without further ado, let's see what's in these things. Okay, guys, so let's start with this card from Pat, and her channel is Blessed GMP. If you haven't checked her out, she is so super sweet. She has all kinds of fun things going on her channel. She does more than unboxing. She also is a crafter, which is awesome in my book anyways. I love fellow crafters, and she does some baking and cooking and all kinds of stuff on her channel. So just make sure that you guys jump over and check her out. But let's open up the card. See what's in here. Yay! Alrighty, dighty. Let's see. She makes beautiful cards, guys. So let's see if I can get it out. Oh, so cute. Look at that. It's like 3D. Check that out, guys. Look. Like there's this outer circle, then inner, and that is so cute. Ah, she did such a great job with this one. I absolutely love it. So it says, Amber, thank you for being such a great friend. Oh, don't make me cry. I hope you and yours have a wonderful Christmas and that 2021 is vastly better than 2020. I forget what it says. Oh, Pat, also known as Blessed GMP. So it says Merry Christmas. Oh, Emma. Merry Christmas to you too, Emma. I love Emma. She has Etsy store, Doxo Designs. And it's so funny because I was just getting ready to check and see what other stuff she had available because I was going to place another order. I love her stuff. She makes great jewelry. And I think when I was on there last, I saw that she actually had some custom underwear on there too. Super cute. So I'm definitely going to be back over to check out your shop, Emma. I'm going to be placing another order very soon. So Merry Christmas, Emma. Merry Christmas, Pat. And thank you so much for this card. I absolutely love it. It's so nice when people think of you. It's really sweet. So thank you, Pat. She's awesome. And again, her channel is Blessed GMP. Make sure that you go over and check her out. She has all kinds of fun stuff going on her channel. So my next package, which was totally unexpected and totally floored me, is from Lois. And her channel is Life with Lois. And Lois, again, she has all kinds of stuff going on her channel. She does a lot more than unboxings as well. She does, she takes you on her shopping trips. She'll do her shopping hauls. And she also does a lot of cooking on her channel too, and baking. So I've learned quite a few tips from her as well as Pat as far as the cooking goes, because I'm not a great cook. I'm definitely picking up some tips from them. So thank you for that, guys. I appreciate it. But make sure that you jump over and check out Life with Lois because she has a lot of fun stuff going on her channel as well. Normally I would cut that out, but guys, this is a live unboxing. Let's just do it. Let's see what she sent to me. Oh, so exciting. Oh. Okay, so we're going to start with this, a hand and nail vital mask. Yes! Guys, I am always looking for things to help my hands, and Lois knows that. Look how cute that is. It's like a panda paw. So super cute. Oh my gosh, Lois, thank you. I really need this. I'm always looking for stuff to help my hands, but I did recently find what is it called? Like a shea butter. It's like a shea whipped butter from one of my beauty boxes that I got, and I just placed a big order with this company because I love their product so much. It's Sugar and Roses. They have a Shopify store, so you look forward to that haul coming up very soon because I love their product and it's working really well for my hands. I just have to remember to use it. I'm just saying. But it smells so good. I'm like finding myself using it all the time. Nonetheless, let's see what else she has in here. Oh, this is kind of big. Ooh, wow. Lois. I mean, Lois. Wow. Okay. Well, we have a card. So I should probably do the card first. It says Amber Meeks. Let's open up the card here. There are people in our lives who are so genuinely kind-hearted. Appreciating them just comes naturally. Thank you. Oh, thank you, Lois. I hope this finds you and your family well. Stay healthy, my friend. I do love all your videos. You are so crafty. That is a true blessing from God, and it's a gift. You are absolutely right, Lois. I definitely think everybody should capitalize on the gifts that God has blessed us with, and I try so very hard to do that, and I love sharing it with you guys, helping you guys learn new things, and hopefully taking inspiration from what I'm showing you so that you can be crafty too someday. I'm just saying. I think one of my gifts is cooking. You are right, Lois, and I've definitely learned so much from watching you cook in your videos. I'm taking some of your tips and I'm putting them into my daily cooking and it's definitely helped, so I appreciate that. Everyone has gifts, they just have to find them. You're absolutely right, Lois. Amber, you are so nice. I really love the 25 days of fun. Your friend, Lois Mal. So how sweet. She puts these beautiful little flowers on here. So awesome. So you are crafty, Lois. You draw these beautiful flowers. I can't draw to save my life. Thank you, Lois. I so appreciate that. Oh, this is so sweet. I don't want to cry. No crying. Fan it off. Fan it off. Okay. So she also has a super beauty mask. It's Rose Honey Jarrett. Ooh, look. This one has lips on it. Just saying. Awesome. I can't wait to try this. I do love a good face mask and hands, whatever, guys. I am down. So I'm going to have a day of beauty. I'm going to take care of my hands, take care of my face on the same day. Lois, you're awesome. Oh, but there's another one. Hold on. Oh, and my feet. Stop it. So this is a rose water moisturizing foot mask. Look at that. I get to have a full day of beauty. I'll do my feet, my face, and my hands all in one day. Now I just need one of those masks that I can just slide over my entire body. That'd be pretty awesome. Do they make those? I'm just saying. Thank you, Lois. This is awesome. So I get to have a full day of beauty on Lois. Yay. But wait, guys, there's more. Lois, this is too much. Look at this. Awesome metallic bag. I love this, guys. I will definitely use this makeup bag for sure. I absolutely love it. I need to start organizing my makeup a little more. So now that I have a couple of bags that I really like, I'm going to start organizing all of my makeup. Like, you know, this is the blush bag, this is the mascara bag, so on and so forth. So this will come in handy for helping me do that. Thank you, Lois. And there's actually stuff in here. I can feel stuff moving around. Wow. Lois. Oh, this is, oh, how nice. Guys, it's in this bag right here. So let me just open it up so you guys can see what she put in here. So much stuff. Lois, stop. This is an 8-piece eyeshadow palette. Ulta Beauty 8-piece eyeshadow palette. It is sealed, guys. So let me see if I can open it for you because I'm curious. What kind of palette is it? I don't know. Do I have scissors back here? Thought I did. Oh, I do. Exciting. Just lean over here and we're going to cut this bad boy open so that I can show you guys the palette. I'm going to show you guys what she gave to me. Ooh, yes, some neutrals. Look at that, guys. Super pretty. Look at that. Yay! I will definitely use all those colors. I'm just saying. Awesome, Lois. Thank you. And then we also have mattifying face primer, Ulta Beauty. There's that in there. Okay. And I need both my hands, guys. Sorry. And then we have a matte eye primer in nude. Yes, I am so into the eye primers now. I never heard of one until I started getting these beauty boxes. So that's going to be great to try out. And then we have a lipstick, a Barely There lipstick. You see it? It's barely there. So I'm going to pop this open for you guys because I'm curious about it. Love my lipsticks, guys. This one's a Barely There. So this one would be one for, you know, a day where you're just kind of casually dressed and you're not all done up. So let's open it up. Oh, yeah. Look, there you go. See that? Let's put it on my skin. And you know what? It says Barely There, but it does really kind of show up. See it, guys? Obviously right there. So, yeah. Awesome. Thank you. Ah, this is so fun, guys. And then I got a couple of little brushes and lip gloss. I love my lip glosses, guys. Love my lip glosses. I use them all the time. So this is so much fun. Oh my gosh. And unexpected. Oh, I have a full day of beauty and then I have some stuff to do my makeup. This is so exciting. Pat and Lois, thank you so very much. I love both of you to death. You are such wonderful women. And if you guys have not seen their channels, make sure that you check them out. Pat's channel is Blessed with GMP and Lois is Life with Lois. Both of these beautiful ladies have a lot of fun stuff going on their channels. I love watching all of their videos. I never miss a video. Yes, sometimes I fall behind because I am a mom. I have a full-time job. I'm a crafter and I have a side business on top of doing this YouTube channel. So sometimes I do fall behind on videos, but I always make sure that I start from wherever I left off and I catch up. So I don't miss any of their videos ever. And I'm sure if you guys decide to check out their channel, you won't want to miss any of their videos either. Guys, I can't thank you enough. This meant the world to me. You guys mean the world to me. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate this. And I hope everybody has a wonderful holiday season. I'm sure I'll catch you guys before then because I got some other videos coming up. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I really don't know what else to say. So we're just going to close it out. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! And in today's video, I have print mail! I don't know what to say. Mine went blank. Okay, hold on. And in today's video, I have friend mail. Oh, I'm so excited. Friend mail is so super fun. I love watching people unbox all their friend mail. And I don't... What? Oh, what? Try it again. Yeah. Okay, guys. So we're going to start with a card, I'm guessing, from Pat. Her channel, yeah. Blessed GMP. Blessed Grandma Pat. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start with what I think is a card, obviously, from Pat. Pat. Try it again. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start with what I believe, obviously. That sounds really stupid. Try it again. Okay, guys, so we're going to start with... Again.